Today, from the guys who do maths. Pyramids. The base of a pyramid, or the bottom, is always a polygon, which is a straight-sided shape. The sides are always triangles, which meet together at the top corner, known as the apex. Pyramids and prisms are two very different shapes. The main difference between a pyramid and a prism is the fact that a prism has two bases, a top and a bottom base, whilst the pyramid has only one base and an apex. Pyramids are classified according to the shapes of their bases. Common shapes include triangular pyramids, square pyramids, hexagonal pyramids, and pentagonal pyramids. Triangular pyramids. These are all examples of triangular pyramids. Note how the base is a triangle and all the sides are triangles, which lead up to an apex at the top. Here we can see the triangular base with triangular sides, faces that lead up to the apex on top. Here are some examples of triangular pyramid nets. A net is a flat shape used to build a three-dimensional shape. In order to make a net into a 3D shape, you first need to copy the shape from one of the slides that we're showing you now. Secondly, cut along the outside lines of the shape and be careful not to cut any of the lines on the inside, such as these ones. Instead, you need to fold along these inside lines in order to make your shape three-dimensional. Using a ruler as a guide will help keep your folds straight. The next step is to put glue on the tabs, or these funny little sticky out bits of the net. This will help hold the shape together once it's in the third dimension. Count the number of faces, remember the face is the flat part, and add a sticker to each one. Next, count the number of vertices, edges, and apexes in a triangle. Remember, a vertex is a corner, an edge is where two faces meet, and the apex is the top of the triangle. There are other ways to make these 3D shapes. For example, with toothpicks and Play-Doh. Here we have a square pyramid. You can also make it using straws and pins, or you can make these shapes using modeling clay or Play-Doh. Square pyramids. Here are some examples of square pyramids. Note how the base of the pyramid is a square and all the sides of the pyramids are triangles which lead up to the apex of the pyramid. Some famous square pyramids include the pyramids of Giza or the Louvre in Paris. Here are some examples of square pyramid nets. Pentagonal pyramids have a pentagon or five-sided shape as a base. Note how the sides are still triangles which lead up to the apex. Here are some pentagonal pyramid nets. The final pyramid for today is a hexagonal pyramid. Note how the pyramid has a six-sided base, and that is why it is called a hexagonal pyramid. Here are some hexagonal pyramid nets. Notice how even though the base is a hexagon, the sides are all still triangles. For more information on any of these topics and many more, see our other videos or come to the Science Center